In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a theme showcase to your Wix website. Since Wix doesn't offer this feature directly, we are going to use an external widget. But don't worry, because it's completely free of charge and you don't need to submit any credit card information. The first step is to go to the website we'll be using. I've put a link in the description down below that takes you straight to the page I'm on, so go ahead and click there. And once you are on Elfsight, you simply need to go up and hover over widgets. From here, go over the tools section, and right down here you will see the theme showcase. Go ahead and click there. Next, you need to click on the pink button that says create widget for free. That's going to take us down to the template builder where we can start designing our widget. You can expand the window by clicking these arrows here. Now the first step here is to choose a template that is the closest to what you're looking for. It doesn't have to be perfect because you'll be able to customize the design, layout, colors, and more later on if you want to match your branding. For this demo, I'll go ahead with this option. From here, you can go ahead and click continue with this template at the bottom left corner. In the content tab, you can add team members by clicking this add member button, then fill all of the relevant information into these columns. You can also add a photo of the person by uploading a file or upload from URL. Also, if you write something in the biography column, there will be a see info button here, so when people click on it, a pop-up will appear and people can read more information about the person. Once you've done adding the team member, just click done and now you have a new team member. You can click on this three dots button if you want to edit, duplicate, hide or delete the team member. You can also change the order of this team showcase by clicking and holding any member like this and move them to any position that you want. Then you can explore these options down here if you want to add groups, widget title, call to action button, and a search bar. To customize how you want this theme showcase to look like, you can go to the Layout tab and choose the layout from these few different options. Then you can change the width and the text alignment. Once you've done choosing your layout, you can go to the Style tab where you can customize the visual aspect of this theme showcase. For example, you want to change the member background color to any color like blue to make it easier to read. For this demo, I'll just stick with this no color, but of course you can choose any color if you want to. Then you can change the color of the text, links, and also change the font from these options. You can also explore these options down here if you want to customize the widget background, title, and pop-up. Once you are ready to add your widget to your website, go ahead and click Add to Website for Free button at the bottom left corner. From here, your screen will open up in a new window where you'll need to either sign up or log into Elfsight. Once you've done that, you should end up on a similar page as to what I'm showing on my screen. This is essentially the exact same template builder, so if you're done customizing your design, you don't need to do anything here. Just go up to the top right corner and click on this green Publish button. And now you are on the page where you need to choose your plan. And because it's completely free of charge, like I mentioned at the start of the video, just go ahead and click the $0 a month plan on the very left by clicking on this gray Select button. Once you've done that, you'll end up on this page. From here, just go ahead and click on Copy Code. And now it's time to head back to our Wix website editor. Once you are on your Wix website editor, the first step is to choose what page you want to add your widget to. In my case, I will add this to my home page, which I can select right here. Then choose the section that you want to add your widget to. Click Add Section. Click Add Elements. Go down to Embed Code, choose Popular Embeds and choose Embed HTML. When this window pops up, paste the Elfsight code here by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. And click Update. Then you just need to adjust the size of the widget by clicking and dragging the small dots like this. Another thing that I want to show you is how to change the font of this widget without going back to Elfsight. So here, I have a personalized code that I will share with you in the video description below, so you can use it if you want to. Just go ahead and copy the code by highlighting it. Click Ctrl C on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Copy. From here, go back to Wix, right-click the widget and choose Edit Code. Click Enter on your keyboard to make a new line. Then paste the code by clicking Ctrl V on your keyboard or right-click your mouse and choose Paste. And click Update to see the changes. Now let's click this preview button at the top right to see the final result. And as you can see, we now have a theme showcase on our Wix website. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions in the comment section below, and I will try my best to help you out.